Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a contact on Telegram on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to add a contact on your Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram first. And after opening your Telegram, the a thing you need to really know is that you will not be able to directly add the contact on Telegram from the Telegram itself. You'll be required to save the phone number of a friend on your phone, and after that, if your friend has installed the Telegram and registered on it, then he or she will be available on the contact section of the Telegram app itself from over here. And if they have not yet installed or registered or signed up for Telegram account on Telegram, then they will not be shown on your contacts, even though they are on your contact list on your phone. And guys, this is how you add Telegram contact. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.